Everyone, my name is Sadia Sobhana Ridi. My ID is 1830127 My part for this project is background, floor design and robots body design. To build this project, we need to create a world where we have the background. So after selecting the background, we will have to select the plus button, and here under now proto nodes we will see the objects, and here we will select the background light, texture background light. After adding the texture background light, we will have to create the floor. So to create the floor, we will select the plus button, and here under proto nodes we will see the objects. After selecting the objects, we will see floor here. So we will add the rectangle arena floor, and after adding that we will have to adjust some transitions, rotations and floor size. And in floor appearance, here we will select the type as check and color as white. After creating the floor, we will have to create the robot. So to create the robot, we will select the plus button again, and here we will see under base nodes we will add the robot here. After adding the robot, we'll have to create the body. So under robot we will see children, and under children we will add a shape. And to add a shape, we will have to select the plus button, and here under base nodes we will select a shape and named it as body. Under body, we will select the PBR appearance here, and change the base color as red and metalness to 0.5. And as we name the body shape as body, so we will here we will use body and apply physics. After creating the body, we will have to create the wheels for robot. So to create the wheels, we will add hinge joints here, and hinge joints here, and under the under children section, we will add hinge joints, and select all the necessary translations and joint parameter hinge joint, and set the anchor points here. And under the endpoint solid, we will have to select the transitions, rotations and scale here. And as we name this as wheel, so we will use bounding object and apply physics here. So thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Jannatul from Tandra. Now I'm going to explain the sensor part of our project. So basically we need a sensor for detecting the line. So we have added 3 distance sensor for our project. Then we change the name according to our coding part. So after adding the sensor, we have changed the translation and the rotation part for all the 3 sensor. Then we gave it a shape under the children part. Then we changed the appearance and the geometry box shape. Then we changed the size according to our convenience. After adding the shape, we have changed the type to the infrared for all our sensor. As the infrared has a emitter and a detector option, so the robot will detect the light coming from the reflected light coming from the object. So so that's how it will differentiate from the floor and the light, and then it will detect the line according to the reflected light from the object. And if the light comes from the left side, then it will turn left, and if it comes from the right side, then it will turn left. And that's how the sensor is gonna work. And that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mahmudul Hasan Emon, ID 19101098. Now I will show how I make the track on Tinkercad. Okay, then after creating the path in the code section, I import robot from controller, then create a robot instance. I used time step 32 millisecond and max speed to 6.28. Now I used four motors: back right wheel, back left wheel, front right wheel, and front left wheel, as we did in our robot, and I used get device method here for every time. For position and velocity, I used set position to infinity and set velocity to 0, 0 respectively on those motor. In IR sensor, I used the three sensor: right sensor, mid sensor, and left sensor, same as we did in our robot. And rest of the part will be described by my fellow teammate. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ridwan. I will tell about the PID control code. So PID full meaning is proportional integral derivative. Here, while robot.step time step not equal -1 means Webots will keep its simulation until it stops. Then we have set right tire value, mid tire value, left tire value to the output by giving get value method. Then we have printed the left, mid, and right IR value. Then we have set the speed of wheel to max speed. Then by using calibration we have set the IR value to 450. Then in the code here, if left IR value is greater than IR value and right IR value is less than equal IR value and mid IR value is greater than equal right IR value, here left IR value is on the track and mid IR value is on the track, but right IR value is not on the track, so we have to turn right. So we have set the right wheel to 0. Then here the right IR value is not on the track, left IR value is not on the track, but right IR value and mid IR value is on the track. So we have to turn left and give the left wheel velocity to 0. Also in this code, the left IR value is not on the track and mid IR value is also not on the track, so we have set the right wheel velocity to 0 and back right wheel velocity to 0, and by this way we have set all the code. So now by simulating, the robot is running, but unfortunately it's not on the track. Thank you.